I qualified as a chartered accountant nearly 50 years ago. And in those days, you just did the technical aspect of the job. Nobody talked about marketing, selling, or promotion, or networking. But in today's competitive world, whether you are a trainee, whether you are newly qualified, whether you're a partner, not only are you expected to be good at the technical aspect of the job, but you've got to be part of the business development team, and that involves networking. Networking is simply talking to people. So I urge you to go to events, meet more people, build relationships, and you just never know, you might spot that potential opportunity which might lead to your business's next biggest client.